welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda, and if you love home decor, then you're in the right place. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today I'm bringing you guys a huge must-have Target home decor pieces, and I have a really big announcement, so make sure you guys keep on watching.
It feels like I pretend, keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. As my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Okay, so before I jump into every single one of these pieces I'm about to share with you guys, I wanted to let you guys know that I am doing a giveaway. I think I remember mentioning it back in November, December that I was gonna do a giveaway. I just wasn't sure exactly when, but when I came across these pieces at Target in particular, I thought, you know what? You guys deserve it, and I picked me up 2 of the gold knots, and 2 of my lucky subscribers are gonna get this piece to style it up in your home, because I know how hard it is to find it. And so, you know what, they were right there. I had to grab them. I wish I can grab 7,000 of them and send them to each and every one of you guys, but I can't. So I just really want you guys to enter the giveaway, and if you really want this piece, all you gotta do is hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. That is it. Simple and easy. I don't want to make it complicated for you guys. I want to make it very easy and simple. Make sure you guys just follow those rules, and you might just win this beautiful knot. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into today's video. I mentioned to you guys in my last video that I wanted to talk about pieces that you must have for your home. This video today is about Target. Okay, Target has been stepping it up. They have been coming out with amazing pieces, and these pieces are pieces that have accumulated here and there, and some of them are very, very new. So you want to keep an eye out. You want to get these pieces for your home. I promise you guys, they're just super aesthetic and really good finds that you just absolutely need to keep an eye out. Starting off with that knot that I just shared with you guys. In particular, here is mine. I am obsessed with this knot. It looks so good on top of a coffee table book. I am obsessed with the color, the gold color tone to it. It is such a dupe of the West Elm knot that I actually also have myself, and this cost me a fraction of the price. And I just love the aesthetic and how minimal it is. Like I said, this can go in any room in your home, in your living room, in your bedroom. It just looks so beautiful anywhere that you put it. And you guys know that adding gold accents to your home decor just really gives it that luxe feel. So you do not want to skip out on this guy. Every little thing that I mentioned on this video will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. Moving on to the next must-have piece. Although I know some of these pieces are hard to find, when you come across them, do not leave them, okay? You have to get your hands on them. They're just, like I said, just must-haves, okay? This footed bowl right here. I know a lot of you guys are still on the hunt for this, and let me tell you, I am obsessed with it. Anywhere that I put it, it looks so good. I obviously bought it only for home decor, like the intentions of just using it as a home decor piece, but obviously you can utilize it in your kitchen, put some fruit in it, it's some, I don't know, oranges in it. It just looks so good anywhere that you put it. I am obsessed with it. I saw the exact same dupe of it not too long ago at Crate and Barrel, and this is just a fraction of the price. It was only $30. I highly recommend you guys turn on your notifications on Target. Keep an eye out. This is a must-have piece. You have to have this in your home, and it is just stunning. I love the texture to it. It's so pretty and so inexpensive as well. And oh, I don't think I mentioned to you guys, obviously this one, so the knot is from Threshold and Studio McGee, and then this piece right here is from Project 62. Project 62 is actually my personal favorite from Target. I love Studio McGee as well, but I think I lean more towards Project 62, and they have the best pieces right now. So you want to make sure that you keep an eye out on those Project 62 pieces that are coming out, because they are just bomb, okay? So bomb. Okay, next up, another must-have home decor piece from Target. This knot right here. This one is also from Studio McGee. I love the texture. It is so pretty, and the color, again, another great piece to put on top of a coffee table book. Even a bookshelf, anywhere that you put it. I've put it on my nightstand. I've even put it on my husband's desk. It looks beautiful on a desk. You can put it on a vanity. I just love that all of these pieces, you can really just put them anywhere in your home and they're gonna look amazing. Amazing. That's why I really want you guys to keep an eye out and get your hands on these pieces. These are must-have pieces from Target that I promise you guys will absolutely love. They'll look great in any room that you put it in, and they're very inexpensive. I will link this guy down below. Again, they might not be available because I know it's so hard to find these right now, but just in case you want to refer back to this video, turn on your notifications on your Target app, and hopefully you get notified as soon as it does come back in stock. Moving on to my next must-have piece, it is this guy right here. This is to hold a cookbook and for your kitchen. I got this a while ago and I still see it in stock every time that I go to Target. I love how chic and minimal it is. It just looks really good even on its own. Sometimes I'll forget to put my cookbook on it, and I love putting my cookbook obviously opened and in a corner in my kitchen, and it looks so aesthetic. And this was very inexpensive. I'll link it down below. They have a ton of new ones that they have currently came out with that you can definitely get your hands on. But this one in particular, like I said, I just love the look to it. Very minimal and simple. You guys know I'm all about the simplicity, and this is just so good to have in your home. So get your hands on one of these and put it in your kitchen. Aesthetic. Next up, moving on to my vases. You guys know that I shared with you guys all of the new 2021 pieces from Target. So these guys are actually very new, and they are also from Project 62. I'm telling you guys, these are a must-have, okay? I love how I can also put these anywhere in my home, and they look so good. I love it. You can put some pampas grass in it, some bunny tails. I have these right now on my kitchen shelves. I actually have them together like this, and it looks really good. But even on days when I'm moving things around and I want to just place them on their own, they look really well too. So that's why I want you guys to really be particular with what you pick up at Target, because these pieces, I feel like whether you're into a farmhouse look or a modern look or a boho look, like I said, put in some pampas and it just looks really aesthetic and like really, really nice. And it's very inexpensive. This one was only 20 bucks and this one was $15. So like I said, they will go with any home, any style of home decor that you have. I love the minimalist look to them. I'm obsessed. It is a must-have. Next up, these Project 62 cups, okay? It is a tumbler set. Oh my God, you guys. So this was actually a recent purchase of mine. I got it maybe about a week ago or so. I went into CB2. They had the exact same ones. No joke, you guys, the exact same set. This is what they look like, you guys. Oh my gosh, so chic. Love it. They're so minimal, and that's what I absolutely love about them. Like I said, you guys, I saw the exact same ones at CB2 and those were way more expensive, and I got this set for not even close to the price that they were selling it at the CB2 store. So huge dupe. You gotta get your hands on them. Super cute in your kitchen. I love them. I'm obsessed with like any glassware, to be honest with you guys, and I love these, so I highly recommend them. It is a must-have from Project 62, and then it's fairly new, so if you see it, get your hands on it, bring it back home, and you're absolutely gonna love them. Next up, I've raved about the Casaluna collection at Target a couple of videos now. I just absolutely love it. I know it can be a little expensive, but it's so worth it, you guys. If you can get your hands on this candle right here. I actually just bought myself another one because I finally finished burning the previous one that I had. And let me tell you guys, I will not be going back to Bath & Body Works for a minute until I get bored of this scent, which I highly doubt that I will. This is the Clarity scent. It is so good. No matter what room I put it in, it looks good. The bathroom, the kitchen, the living room, the bedroom, it looks so good. And whatever room that I put it, the aesthetic of it is so pretty. Let me see if I can show you guys right there. The texture, the smell, the look, everything is just so perfect. I am actually so obsessed with it that I picked up more pieces from the Casaluna collection, like the Clarity Room Spray. And I also picked up this one right here for my bathroom. So I have the entire collection and I am absolutely obsessed, and I highly recommend you guys pick up all of these pieces for your home. I actually have this set up right here in my guest bathroom, and it smells amazing. And I have the candle, I have one in my living room, and I have one in my bedroom. So no matter where I put it, like I said, you guys, the aesthetic of it is so gorgeous, so pretty, so minimal and simple and chic, and I love it, and it smells so luxe. It honestly makes your home just smell expensive, and I love it. Like, as soon as you walk in here, everybody always asks me, what candle are you burning? And I let them know it's this one from Target, and they run off and go get it. So highly recommend. It is a must-have. Another must-have piece I absolutely love till this day, and again, if you're an OG and you've been watching me for quite some time here on YouTube, you guys remember when I shared these with you guys. It was part of one of my first Target hauls. Love them. I still love them. Actually, the other day I moved them to my bathroom, my restroom, and my sister comes over and goes to the guest restroom, and she asks me, hey, where are your little soap dispensers? Like, those were so cute. She absolutely loved them. So I know that whenever friends and family come over, if I love them, they love them too. So I've been looking for another set to put in my master bathroom. But for now, I just leave these in the guest bathroom, and I absolutely love pairing them up just like this. They look so luxe, so pretty. So it is a must-have from Target. If you guys see these, pick them up for yourself. I promise you guys will love them. They look so chic in a restroom. I will link it down below. Another piece that you can also utilize for your bathroom, I actually utilize it for my personal use. I put like my hair ties in it, my bobby pins in it, but I've seen people actually put Q-tips and cotton balls and, you know, cotton swabs. This guy right here, this is a must-have. It is so convenient to have. I actually got it with the intentions of using it for my kitchen. I know, random. But then I thought, you know what, no, I didn't end up using it in the kitchen, so I used it for my bathroom. And I just love that I can put whatever I want in it, and they're stackable. So let me show you guys. You can actually use them each separately, or you can stack them up. So this is a must-have, okay? And it looks so cute wherever you put it. Even if you leave it laying out like in your bathroom somewhere, it looks really cute and aesthetic, and it just looks so good anywhere that you put it. So these are pieces that you have to get your hands on, guys. Like, they look so good in your home, and I promise you guys are gonna love every single one of these pieces. Target is just coming in strong with their new home decor. Like, I am literally at Target, you guys, every single week I'm at Target, and I am obsessed with everything that they're coming out with. And I promise you guys, I'm going to stay on top of my game and make sure to let you guys know what pieces you have to get your hands on, including all of these guys right here. Everything will be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is give this video a huge thumbs up. So I'll wait. Go give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Please make sure you guys share this video with anybody that's been looking for that knot, because I know how hard it is to find, and if they want it, you know, enter the giveaway, it might just be yours. I hope you guys are staying safe, and make sure you guys stay tuned for that giveaway winner, most likely on my next video, because I want to get this out to you guys. I want one of you guys to have it in your home. It is just so beautiful and aesthetic, and you guys are gonna love it. So I will be announcing the giveaway winner on my next video, so make sure you guys enter. Until next time, stay safe. I'll catch you guys all on my next video. Bye.